Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you the best alternatives to Canva. Before we start, I'll be really happy to read all your comments about what is the reason why you're leaving Canva and which site that I'm going to show you are going to actually use. So without further ado, let's start. Now, I've been creating social media content, thumbnails, etc. for a really long time, and I was researching these things that you can actually use, and I believe that Canva is really good. I mean, Canva is damn good, but there are some competitors that you can use too. The first one that I prepared for you is Snappa. Snappa, I use it more than Canva, because I like the design, everything much more, and let me explain. So when I come here to create a graphic, first thing, they got better templates that you can use, in my opinion. So that's the first thing. Now, when I'm going to click on this here, and let's say I'm going to compare with every single thing here. So let's say that I'm going to click Instagram post, like this one here, and free, I'm going to choose this one. So you can have elements, uploads, text, etc. And in the Snappa, it works different. So first, when you're going to click on an element, it's going to appear the text here. Here, it's here. So it's a little bit different. Then you have a background that I have plenty of photos. And what I like is that you don't have a paid photos here, premium photos. You can use whatever you want. But the pricing of Snappa works different, only because with Snappa, how it actually works is that Snappa pricing, I'm paying for the full 1 year pro version, and the free one, 3 downloads per month. So this is something that is like meh, but it is what it is. So I got pro version really cheap, and for 3 downloads per month you got free version. So if you're gonna create not a lot of content, you can use the starter one. Now when we go further, what you can do with it is you can upload, then you have effects here, and you can have backgrounds, then you have graphics, plenty of icons, vectors, photos, uploads by yourself, and shapes. I really like using Snappa. The few things that I don't like is that in Snappa you don't have the stroke that you have in Photoshop. I don't even know that if you have it right here, but here you are, like hollow, glitch. You get more effects in Canva. Like Canva is really good with those effects and everything, and with animations. Snappa is really limited in it. But maybe if you're just looking for creating thumbnails, if you're looking for simple Instagram posts, Canva can be really effective. Now, I mean Snappa, sorry. Canva is damn good. Like no talking about that. With their animations, with the glitch effects, etc. that you can use. It's like really good. Now, when we go even further, what I wanted to show you is that when we go further to the PictoChart, that's another one. PictoChart, when you come here to pricing plans for free app 5 active projects, pro version is a little bit more expensive. With the PictoChart, you can also use it, and it's like pretty straightforward and pretty easy. I will just sign with the Gmail here so I can show you how it works. And PictoChart is good too. So when I come here, again, I can have infographics here, presentations that I can use, posters, flyers, social media. But as you can see, you don't have YouTube here, and I don't really like the lineup, but maybe you like it. Use template, and when I'm going to show you, again, you can design it. But I prefer more Canva. With the design, this feels like from the UX UI perspective more difficult to understand, but that's my perspective. So PictoChart is another one that I recommend to use if you want it. You can create like really good graphics. So that's something you can do. Now the next one is a Stencil. Stencil, you can have 10 images a month. Like Snappa got only a few, but Canva got free, but they have the premium things that you can use. Stencil is a really good competition. So that's something you can definitely use too. And I would definitely recommend for you to use it. Now, when you go here to the features and templates, they have many templates and features. So you see it right here that I'm going to use the photo. Then I have icons here. I have templates that I can use. And I have collections, business, celebration, ebook, Instagram story. And I can use this, try this template. It's a premium one. And then I can change the text here. Swipe up. And I can really play around it. So this is different competition that you can use. And Stencil is a good competition. Again, it's good for social media. You need to test it out if you like it more. Like, it's really difficult for me to create this video because like I don't know what you actually like, right? I don't know what you want to use all these programs for. So I hope this will be at least a little bit helpful. The next one is Easel, and that's another one that you can use. So I'm going to like log in here. I'm signing up right now. And I'm going to show you how it actually looks like. So I can go and click here templates. And now story templates, popular sizes. So let's say I'm going to choose Instagram post here again. And I'm going to choose this one here, edit design. And here it's on the right side, right? You see that you got layouts, you got text here. And this really seems like a Canva, but on the right side, not on the left. So that's something you can definitely do, and that's something you can definitely use. So this is how easy it works. So that's something you can do. And yep. And then we have a Crello. Crello is another one that is like really similar to Canva. And you see it here then on left side videos that even everything here seems similar. So that's something you can definitely do and definitely use. And Crello is a good competition. And then we look on the pricing plans here. Pro or monthly. 5 designs, downloads every month. And then you're like yearly, it's really cheap. So Crello is a good thing too to use. And you can use plenty of templates here. So yeah. And the last one is related on-brand design automated in every channel. This is another one that you can actually use. So Relay, Crello, Easel, Stencil, PictoChart, and Snappa. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.